Us now from the newsroom where he's been tracking the updates. Jake Ryle, you're there. Will people be able to vote tomorrow?
Tanya, the short answer to that is no. Within the past hour now, we have found out Governor DeWine announced Ohio's health director is going to be declaring a health emergency to keep the polls closed. Governor DeWine says Dr. Amy Acton will order the polls to stay closed. Election day has not been rescheduled. That will be up to the courts at a later date. Now, some election workers say they got a robocall 2 minutes before they were scheduled to report to their voting location to set things up tonight, and that was at 7. Now, that was followed by another call to tell them that they do indeed need to show up. The back and forth really started after the governor's recommendation on this afternoon that the election be pushed back to June. He says Ohioans should not be forced to pick between their health and their constitutional rights. A Franklin County judge tried to deny that request, saying in part it was simply too late.
The coronavirus has been around for weeks. The recognized risk to the public health was evident from the news reports coming out of China.
Now, after all of that, Governor DeWine doubled down, defying the judge's order by issuing his own. He also said that Secretary of State Frank LaRose will work with the courts to extend voting options so that every voter who will want to be able to vote will be able to. Once again, polls will be closed tomorrow in Ohio. As Governor DeWine announced, Ohio's health director will declare a health emergency to keep them closed. The big question with all of this now, when will Election Day take place? When will voters be able to actually cast a ballot? And what will that ultimately end up looking like? We will be tracking those developments, trying to get answers for you as soon as we can. Jake Ryle, WCPO 9 News.